Good morning and welcome to Miss Wilson's science class. I'm so excited to start the new year with everyone, and I'm hoping that we all can get off with a bang to start this school year. Some of the things that we'll be covering in anatomy and physiology and some of the things in the agenda today are the teacher introduction. First of all, you're meeting Coach Wilson. You can call me Miss Wilson or Coach Wilson. I'm the head coach of softball, and I also teach anatomy and physiology honors and earth science honors here at Jack Britt. I am currently in my 28th year of teaching, my 21st year here at Jack Britt High School. A little bit about the course introduction and course overview will be in the next few slides. So please take the time to listen, and I hope that you're as excited to be in the course as I am. First of all, this is a picture of myself and Coach Grooms after the state championship of 2018. Varsity softball won it that particular year. A little bit about the course introduction. But first, we're going to be covering a lot of material within this short period of time. This is really a college course level, but I try to water it down slightly so that you'll have the basis of all the body systems prior to entering college and taking anatomy and physiology. Some of the things that we'll be covering. First of all, we'll be covering cells, tissues, and the integumentary system. Some of the topics that will be included within there, we're going to be talking about the levels of organization, the different types of cells in the human body, the different types and layers of tissues in the human body, also about burns and how these burns also affect the different layers and the types of tissues that we have. Also, we'll talk about hair, nail, and skin color within these particular units. In Unit 3, this is probably the most exciting of the three different types of units that we'll be doing. First, we'll be doing the skeletal system. We will talk about the different types of bones, the naming of bones, the location of bones, and different types of breaks that can occur to these bones and how long it will take to repair that particular bone. Also, we'll be talking about the muscular system. In this unit, we'll be talking about the different types of muscles, the movements that are being produced. This is really where we have a collaborative muscle project within this unit where you work with two other individuals within the class, and you guys will be then basically narrowing down the movements that it takes to produce a particular type of sports movement. Then the next is the nervous system. Folks, I'm going to be honest, this is probably the longest of the units that we do because there is so much to cover about the human brain. But some of the things we'll be talking about are the parts of the brain and what they actually control. And we'll also include the somatic senses, which is our basic taste, hear, sight, and those different types of things. So we will actually learn how our body and our brain actually operates within these particular systems. Unit 4, we will be talking about the digestive, the endocrine, and the lymphatic systems. Within the digestive system, we will talk about not only diet, but we'll talk about how the diet influences the human body and how our brain plays a critical role in digestion. We'll also talk about the endocrine system and the different types of glands, the lymph nodes and tissues within the lymphatic system, and the cancers that can be involved. In Unit 5, we'll talk about cardiovascular and the respiratory system. In cardiovascular, there is a lot to learn as far as the functions of the heart, how the blood is pumped through the heart, and different types of diseases that may affect you and your family in later life or currently now. Also, within the respiratory system, we're going to talk about lung capacity. We're going to talk about oxygen in, oxygen out, and also talk about tidal volume. We'll also talk about some various diseases within here, and we'll also include asthma, as it seems to be a childhood problem. And lastly, one of the units we'll do is the urinary and reproductive systems. Within the urinary system, we will talk about the different functions of the urinary system and the diseases that are involved. And in the reproductive system, we will talk about the male and female reproductive organs. Also, we will, if we return to school, be able to do the dissection of the cat. If not, we will do various virtual dissections throughout the semester. I'm looking forward to a great semester, and I hope you are too. Have a great day.